Hi guys, welcome to your favorite program on fast math tips and tricks. In this capsule, we try to explain how to find the square root of a number which is a perfect square in 3 seconds. Before we explain the concept, let's have a look at the table that is on the right side of the board. Here I have written squares from 21 to 30. What you need to observe is the last digits of these squares for the numbers from 21 to 30. So the last digits are 1, 4, 9, 6, 5, 6, 9, 4, 1 and 0. The same is written on the right side of it. That is 1, 4, 9, 6, 5, 6, 9, 4, 1 and 0. Here the interesting fact is, even if you take the next 10 consecutive numbers, that is 31 to 40, the last digits of the square remain same. That is, the last digits would be 1, 4, 9, 6, 5, 6, 9, 4, 1 and 0. So the observations we have made here is a perfect square first of all never ends with 2, 3, 7 or 8. Whereas if square ends with 1, square root should end with 1 or 9. If square ends with 4, square root should end with 2 or 8. If square ends with 6, square root should end with 4 or 6. Square ends with 5, square root should end with 5. If it is 0, square root should end with 0. So at 9, it should end with 3 or 7. So there are like two next steps which you need to observe or understand to answer the square root questions in just 3 seconds. The step 1 is, whenever you find a 4-digit number or a 5-digit number, to identify the last digit, you just need to consider the last 2 digits of the given number. So, and in fact, the last digit itself will tell you what is the last digit of the square root. And the second step is cancel the last 2 digits and then see what is remaining. And you need to consider the number for which the highest square is just less than the remaining part. Now, let's have a look at one of the questions given here. That is, first of all, square root of 8649. Step 1 says we need to worry about 9. As this is ending with 9, answer should end with 3 or 7. Cancel the last 2 digits as I mentioned. Now 86 is the remaining. So what you need to know is the highest square just less than 86 is 9. So answer should be 93 or 97. Here the trick to identify which is the answer between 93 or 97 is just multiply 9 with 10. You are getting 90. If this is more than the existing number, the answer should be 93. That is the smaller number you should take. So answer is 93 here. I'll repeat this once. The very first step is identify the last digit. The last digit is 9. So answer should end with 3 or 7. Step 2 is cancel the last 2 digits and find the remaining part, which is 86. Now identify the highest square just less than 86, which is 9 square. So I'm writing 9 here. Answer should be now 93 or 97. Now this is where we should be able to figure out whether 93 is the answer or 97 is the answer. All that you need to do here is multiply 9 with 10. So you are getting 90. This is more than the remaining part, so you should take the smaller number. So that is 93 is the answer. Now let me explain with another example. This is ending with 4, so answer should end with 2 or 8. Cancel the last 2 digits. Now 17. 4 square is just less than 17. So 42 or 48. In that case, 4 into 5 is 20. 20 is more than 17. 20 is more than 17. So answer should be 42. Let me explain with another example. This is ending with 9. So answer should end with 3 or 7. Cancel the last 2 digits. Now we have 204. So 204, the highest square just less than 204 is 14. That is 14 square 196. Now we need to figure out whether 143 is the answer or 147 is the answer. All that you need to do is you just need to multiply with 15. So 14 15s, that is 210, but here you got 204, so answer should be 143. 143 is the answer. I trust you all understood the concept, and I believe you will be able to find the square roots of perfect numbers whenever you come across them in just 3 seconds. All the best.